afternoon, everyone. My name is Val, founder of PolicyPal. Just to share with you, every third person counted eventually for a victim to cancer. That's pretty unfortunate. So my mom, unfortunately, was one of them. She actually was diagnosed with cancer. We went through lots of pain. Thankfully, she's recovered. But her insurance claim was rejected. Why? Because we didn't keep a detailed record of all the insurance premiums, payments, coverage. And when we were filing for the payout, it was rejected. The whole process was really painful. So after going through all of that, I believe that there's a need to make insurance simple and transparent. That's how PolicyPal got started. As we did more and more research, we asked people, so what do you think about insurance? It's boring, it's confusing, as well as they face a lot of hard selling in the market. So 68% of people think that insurance is really confusing. They delay the idea of dealing with it until something bad happens. They think that the whole process is long and tedious because it comes down to 3 to 4 face-to-face meetings. So how about the new generation? This new generation that we have been researching on, what do they do all the time? They deal with internet, social media. They try to actually look for information online. But can they find insurance over there? They spend 24 hours per week on their mobile phones. So they don't really have protection for the future. Why? 70% of them delay the idea of like getting car, starting up a family, as well as buying a home. So this market size is huge. 50% of them by year 2020 will fill the whole global workforce. So what are they looking for? They don't really just want they don't really want just in case information. Like, you know, when you walk past the shopping mall, MRT station, you often have like insurance agents that stop by. Oh, just in case you need insurance policy, I'm here. They are not looking for something like this. What they want is just in time. Whenever I need it, are you there for me? So where's the place that they usually go to? What's the phone that they are holding on to? Is their mobile phone? Is the insurance companies available on the mobile app now? Okay, so there's also a huge challenge. There's high acquisition costs, and it's really hard to reach out to this group of people. Why? Because they have unlimited access to all the information online, be it blogs, forums. They read about the information, but they don't really want to speak to someone before they find out, like, whether they know about the policies, whether they know what they're really getting. And loyalty-wise, 68% of them actually tend to switch policies, or if not, they switch plans whenever they find something that is much more affordable or convenient. And for them, they look for engagement. So is insurance companies actively available in the social media platform as well as online, where they are spending most of the time there. So how can we understand better? We have to leverage on the technology and identify where their needs as well as their motivation in doing certain things. So 46% of them actually browse social media to understand more. They watch a lot of YouTube videos, Facebook videos, and 12% of them are doing a lot of online shopping. As we see, Redmart are taking off, people buy groceries online, as well as they order Ubers using their mobile phones. And for insurance these days, it's really hard for them to find out more information unless like they probably go to price comparison sites like DIY Insurance, or maybe they go and read blogs like on Money Smart. Where else is available for them on the mobile phones? And we did more and more research. Is that a lot of them, they spend 65% of them actually spend their journey from the mobile phones to the desktop before they make a purchase or make a decision to do something. So they don't really just want the digital channels, definitely. There's a hybrid, there's a need of hybrid channels. So we need to bring them from online to offline. We offer them personalization as well as provide them the option for self-directed services. So how can we offer all this? Through personalization, offer them flexible options as well as the right pricing. So for us, what we have built is a digital insurance folder to help you manage, track and offer you transparent pricing so that you can buy your insurance through the mobile app. So our vision is to make it very simple and transparent for everyone. So here's the overview of what you have, what you will see on your mobile phone. A single overview to help you understand your coverage, an independent portfolio review to identify which area you're overpaying or underinsured. So we launched our product in mid-June. We acquired about 6,200 users. We have received 4,000 over policies uploaded under our management. So what does this mean? It means that actually people do care about the policies that they have purchased. So far, every time they get a paper document that is sent to them by their insurance companies, they keep it in their cupboard, put it on the table until like reminders is sent over to them, and then they will think that, okay, I need to make my premiums payment again. Or if the policy expired, they can't remember. So what can we offer to them? Is that we help you find out where's your shortfall. We find the best plan for you using predictive modeling based on your profile and find the best plan out there that can fit the gap for you. So for general insurance products, we are working to distribute them within the app where you see what's the shortfall over there. And then you click on the icon, you can top up your personal accident plan, or you can top up your travel plan, motor insurance. So because we manage all this for you, going forward, whenever it's about to expire, we can prompt you renewals, we can prompt you new plans that are much more suitable for your profile. We do lead referrals for life insurance products. So every time you request for a portfolio review, we will let you know that, oh, okay, these are our partners. Who do you actually would like to get a portfolio review from? Other than that, how do we acquire customers? You know, customer acquisition is really high in financial institutions group. So what we're looking at is to build a referral bonus. So as I mentioned this morning during the panel, is that a lot of our users actually bought policies for their spouse, for their kids. So what they're looking at is that they want to have another separate account where they can see the spouse, the kids, policies that they have purchased. So through this channel, we can increase our network effect. So what else we are working with the insurance companies is on innovating new micro-insurance products that we can distribute on the platform. A much more simple product is easier that can be distributed online. So we want to co-create new products with the insurance companies, such as like, you know, this weekend probably you are going for a hiking trip, outdoor cycling trip. You need a personal accident plan, but you don't really want to get an annual plan. What you want is probably just the 3 days coverage. So we are working with them to co-create products like this. Whenever you need it, you switch it on. Whenever you don't need it, you switch it off again. We are also working on the sharing of mobile data in exchange for much more affordable premiums. As we see things happening in telematics, in motor insurance, as well as health data using wearable products, people are sharing a lot of information on Facebook, check-ins to places, airports, as well as going to clinics, visit. These are the key moments where people actually think of insurance policies. And insurance companies, they themselves have mentioned that they kind of struggle to tap onto these moments. So we believe that through the mobile app, as we have access to all this data, we can then push notifications to you and let you know which are the products that are suitable for you. So how can we help insurance companies? Probably have to speed it up instead. We provide a 360 overview to let you know what's the profile, because so far what the insurance company have is what the users have purchased from them. We have a 360 overview. Other than that, we increase the engagement. We push notification whenever your premiums is coming out, your policy is expiring. We'll let you know. Other than that, we track the data, we reward the users, and it's automation of insights. As compared to currently now, financial advisors, when they meet with their clients, they use a paper, they describe what's their needs analysis, and then the paper is thrown away or kept in a file. All these are not automated. So why us? We cover every single value chain. So from product listing, purchase of plan, ongoing engagement, as well as managing policies. So we have similar players in Europe. These three have been up and running for about 2 years, and they raised their Series A. So do we call ourselves a clone here? I think that we are learning from them. They have proven that people are moving towards digital, so that they are moving towards digital. So we believe that Asia will definitely catch up to it. So this is the customer journey so far. Type of policies uploaded. A lot of people like to upload the life insurance policies because it takes time for them to actually understand what they have purchased as well as what's missing in the coverage. Some of our media coverage. So pretty heartwarming to see comments like this that, oh, they say that this is a pain point, they've been looking for something like this. So after working really hard, I think Rosalind shared about life as an entrepreneur is pretty tough. After working really hard, getting comments from people like this is really heartwarming, knowing that you are building something that people are looking for. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.